Okay, look at this, Matthew. It's a smusher truck, and it's being picked up by a crane to put in there. Let's look at that smusher truck. I call it a smusher truck, but it's, we used to call these when I was little, we call it a steamroller. Look, it's flying. It's a flying smusher. We call them steamrollers because in the old days, they were powered by steam. But these are powered by diesel engines. This is exciting. And so here, it's going to go into the cargo hold. And see, the guy with the white hat is the chief mate. That's the job that Daddy does sometimes. Okay, he's going over the rail. Oh, wow, this big, heavy thing. Look at that. And down it goes. Bye-bye for now, smusher truck.